Hey guys, it's Ayana and
Jacob.
and we're going to show you how to take apart a computer. First thing that Jacob's going to do is unscrew the hard drives. Next thing he's going to do is take out the power supply. But make sure when you take it out that you're holding the bottom of the power supply so it doesn't fall. Now Jacob is going to unscrew the case fan. Now you're going to see me come in and take out the optical drive. Our optical drive has a case over it, so we can just take it off and just pull out the optical drive. And now we're just unhooking everything and taking out the CMOS battery. It's pretty self-explanatory. And now we're going to show you how to install the components of a computer. Now Jacob is installing the power supply again, making sure that he holds the bottom without dropping it. Now he's installing the case fan. Now you're going to see me come back in and install the optical drive by just pushing it in and then just putting the case right back over it and snapping it into place. Now you're also going to see me install the hard drives by just sliding them into place and locking that silver lever. Now Jacob's coming back and hooking up all the wires back to their rightful places. And now he's going to install the RAM, and if you guys can see, we already put the battery in there. We didn't film it. And that's all guys, thanks for watching.